Blockchain technology has been making the headlines lately, and it's not hard to see why. Originally designed to power Bitcoin, blockchain has the potential to disrupt everything from accounting to voting. But it's not yet how clear how best to take the advantage of this disruptive technology. In this video, I will take a look at what exactly blockchain technology and how does it work. I will show you how it can be applied in the real world and how you can leverage the benefit if you want to try out on your own website or the businesses. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology explained in this 10-minute video. The aim to provide an introduction to the blockchain technology. I will start with the definition, move on to its history, talk about why it is disruptive, and conclude with some thought on its future. If you are new to blockchain, don't worry if you some of these terms that do not make sense now. I will explain everything as we go along in this video. But first, let me get straight to the business. What is blockchain? Understanding blockchain, the new internet of value. Understanding blockchain technology is one of those things that easy to talk about but hard to do. I get it. I was once in your shoes looking for information, blockchain, cryptocurrency, so I could understand what it's all about. How does blockchain work? Blockchain are shared database. Each party on a blockchain has access to the entire database and its complete history. No single party controls the data or the information. Every party can verify each transaction against its own copy of the blockchain, making it nearly impossible to forge the records. The result is a trustworthy system without third party that's suitable for all transactions involving assets, goods, money, or content. The technology used for blockchain today go by many names, which is the distributed ledger technologies known as DLT, permission ledger, and others. But they all have their roots in the key concept developed for Bitcoin beginning in 2008. The common thread among these technologies is that they decentralize trust. Now, the types of blockchain. The first thing to know about blockchain is that there are many different types. Each type has a slightly different use cases and fits into a slightly different area of business operation. Two of the most popular types are the public blockchain, which are entirely decentralized and transparent, and private blockchain, which can be centralized but still provide some advantages over their data storage system. There is also a third type of blockchain which is called consortium blockchain, in which multiple organizations share access of one blockchain development platform. What is the difference between Ethereum and the blockchain? Ethereum is a blockchain platform created by Vitalik Buterin that allow for smart contracts or the code that execute itself autonomously on its own. The value of Ethereum stems from its ability to run decentralized applications known as dApps. Ethereum is also different than Bitcoin because it enables users to write, deploy, and use smart contracts. Now, the advantages of blockchain. The blockchain has already demonstrated a number of advantages over traditional financial technology. For example, transactions made with cryptocurrencies are secure. It is impossible to make an unauthorized transaction or the double spend funds because all purchases are recorded on a public ledger. This means that blockchain system can be used in scenarios where security is a paramount, such as resource distribution after natural disaster. Security is also incredibly important for cryptocurrency exchange because they can carry large quantities of assets on their balance sheets. Now comes to the disadvantages part. Due to its distributed nature, a blockchain database is more difficult to manipulate. To hack into it, you would have to infiltrate every copy of that blockchain simultaneously. In other words, using blockchain technology makes it easier for businesses to run a secure network over which they can have complete control. This is not true for all blockchains. Blockchains built for peer-to-peer payments are less vulnerable because there is no single place where transactions can be manipulated or controlled. Potential benefits of blockchain technology. As I said in earlier video, blockchain technology is often referred to as accounting method for cryptocurrency transactions. While that may be true in one way, there are so many the potential uses for blockchain technology. In fact, there is no reason to limit your imagination when it comes to what blockchain can do for you. Here are the 5 of my favorite benefits that come with using the blockchain tech, with the blockchain capable of recording any kind of transaction information, and they have extremely convenient solution to a wide range of issues businesses face today. Blockchain is also expected to improve efficiency in almost every industry because these digital ledgers enable secure record keeping across multiple sites, and the user with minimal reconciliation needed not just limited to the banking. Feature of blockchain techniques: fraud prevention through widespread sharing of information, effective tracking of digital assets, transparency and traceability, fast transaction time, virtual instantaneous low-cost implementation. I hope you get useful and valuable information from my video. If you really like this video, do like, comment and share this video with your friend. I will see you guys in my next video.